Unlock a lightning-fast Shopify store and watch your conversions soar. In today's digital world, every second counts, especially when it comes to your online store. A slow website is a conversion killer, frustrating customers and sending them straight to your competitors. But don't worry, optimizing your Shopify store speed is achievable. And this guide will show you exactly how. We'll cover essential techniques to get your site loading in a flash, boosting user experience, search engine rankings, and ultimately, your sales. First, let's tackle App Bloat. Go to your Shopify admin and navigate to your apps section. Review every app installed on your store. If an app isn't actively contributing to your sales or store functionality, it's time to uninstall it. Too many apps, especially poorly coded ones, can significantly slow down your site. Next, optimize your product images. Large, uncompressed images are a major culprit for slow loading times before uploading. Resize your images to the dimensions they'll be displayed on your site. Then, use an image compression tool to reduce their file size without sacrificing visual quality. Most Shopify themes allow you to set image quality, so explore those options. Your theme plays a crucial role in speed. Some themes are packed with features, some of which you might not be using, leading to heavier code. Consider using a lightweight, well-coded theme. If you're attached to your current theme, explore options for removing unused code or JavaScript. Sometimes, even simple theme settings, like disabling certain animations or effects, can make a difference. Mobile optimization is non-negotiable. Ensure your theme is fully responsive and loads quickly on mobile devices. Test your mobile speed using online tools. Many of the image and app optimization techniques we've discussed are even more critical for mobile users. Lastly, leverage browser caching. Your Shopify theme and apps typically handle caching automatically, but it's worth understanding caching stores parts of your website on a user's browser, so subsequent visits load faster. While you won't directly control this without custom code, choosing well-optimized apps and themes indirectly improves your caching effectiveness. Regularly test your site speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify any lingering bottlenecks.